Go. Takes one to know one. Takes one to know one. Yeah, there you go.
Eat hacks.
Yeah. Oh shit. Speaking of hacks. Hey baby, wanna ride?
Hey baby, you want to ride my truck?
I got some candy for you.
Got some
Hey
candy
man, get in my
corn,
Jeep
hop in
right
my
now.
van.
We need to go somewhere really important.
Me? Pick me up at the school or the playground. Playground. I'm at the playground jumping with my
Alright,
camo.
man, we're gonna do some daredevil.
Whoa, is that you?
No, that's me. I don't know.
You
I'm
just
trying to
fucking
save it.
broke it.
I know. Fuck you, dude. I'm good. I'm good. I got this. I got
Fuck those,
this.
stop taking us.
Yes, I know. Is that you punching my feet?
Hell yeah.
I'm running away from this noise. It's hurting my ears.
Oh, fuck you. Are you
I
recording?
can't hear shit.
I know I can.
Yeah.
Gotta turn down my fucking headset. Yeah, fuck you, Toasty. Fuck you. Yeah, I got some candy. Want some candy? Oh, my candy.
Fuck you, learn to drive.
Wait,
Hey,
bro.
fucker, you, Korea. Fucker, you face sounding mom. Fucking mom. Somebody says.
Fuck are you, Korea?
Fuck you, North Korea.
Here, this is the only type of candy I can draw from memory.
Some mother vagina, really cold, like ice cube.
There you go. It's a green. First person who can guess what it is will, not get jack shit.
Why do people do like Twitch TV?
What is it?
or
What is it,
YouTube
boys and
channels?
girls? And I can't read the chat.
It's a Jolly Rancher butt plug.
You got it. Yeah.
Yes.
No, it was actually a fucking gummy worm. Bitches,
Oh.
you thought I was gonna say candy cane, didn't you? No, fuck are you, medicine? No, fuck are you, toes? Fuck are you, you fucking Korean ass cracker.
Alright, what's that? Honey Valley? Oh yeah, right on it.
You know I can't do these symbols. Toast.
Fucking hot, baby. Woo.
I want some gummy worms, man. Them shits are good.
Do you? Candy cane.
Talking about
You
gummy
failed.
worms.
You fucking failed.
Not a candy cane. Gummy
There we
worm.
go. Don't
Definitely isn't a Jolly Rancher butt plug.
No. Actually, it was supposed to be a candy cane. You did. You won it. It was. But I thought it kind of looked like a gummy worm afterwards.
Oh shit!
Oh shit, I got a Jeep, guys. No, I don't got a Jeep. Well, this guy. Dude, that guy totally did not see this shit. Alright,
Hey
I'm
man,
gonna
you
drive
cool?
off the woods, guys.
Kill me, dude.
This is the way to do it. Find a vehicle, drive the fuck off. Hey,
I'm just
man.
running away, man.
Yeah, that's the way to do it, because I just found me a cop car.
Did you?
But I had to
Okay.
grab the shotgun and the backpack and the medkit right next to it.
Kidding me? Did that on purpose.
You guys are sparing my life.
Alright, I'll go drive off
Might-
somewhere
might
real
be a
quick
parking
and
lot.
try to stay safe.
Oh,
You all failed. Looked like a candy cane. Really shitty.
you a car?
No, but honestly, yeah, that's what I was.
Yeah! I got a shotgun, a pistol, and a cop car. Fuck are you, Korea? Fuck are you?
Bye.
Some guy was yelling he wanted to get in with me.
Yeah, dude, I'm just gonna drive through the woods here, man. If you can somebody pick me up some extra weapons and backpacks? Back of my packs.
I'm driving through the nature right now.
Okay. Elsvark.
Oh,
You wanna pick me up some extra weapons in the back of my pack? Let me know what your location is, dude. I got a Jeep, man.
hey man, I hear you.
Oh, he's in there talking to me.
I won't kill you, man. Are you American? Where are you from?
You failed at not failing. There you go.
You, man.
Where you guys at?
I'm in Delta 7, man. Just hanging out.
Delta 7's Pleasant Valley.
On a team
Pleasant
up?
Valley, yep, south
Alright.
town. I failed 24/7. But oh shit.
Got a couple people waiting for me.
Oh, he's teaming up. He's teaming up. We might have a battle, buddy. It's too risky.
Where are you,
for me
man?
to say back of my pack. You know what I'm saying? Back of my pack. Spelled like this.
I can hear you.
Back of my pack.
You on the roof? Like your 10 meters. Hey Webster, what's going on?
Ow.
On the roof.
A toast, I'll give you a back of my pack. I don't know how a toast would actually wear that shit, but
America.
Stubby arms.
Yeah. Coming again. Hey, yeah.
But you know what? Actually, your YouTube toast
Is that you?
lies is actually pretty decent. There you go.
Oh shit.
Got your little straps.
Need that gun right there?
That's your fucking short ass. You're from Texas.
I'm not gonna shoot you, man.
Those ain't high heels. Those are cowboy boots. Or whatever, dude. I don't even know. Cowboy boots. And they got spurs on them. Oh yeah. I ain't done yet.
I see. So we both have vehicles. You just need weapons.
I just need weapons, right?
Alright.
Back.
You alive?
I'm still alive.
Yep.
Hey man, are you alive?
Oh, I think he's talking to his
He
buddies.
said, I felt river fall.
Back of my pack. That's what a back of my pack is. Perfect. Nailed it. Nailed it. Best drawing ever. Yeah, I know, right? Isn't it? Dude, you don't even... Oh, shit. Tech guy. You ain't ready for that yet. Tech guy's microwave. Gotta get to know you first before I draw that kind of stuff. Ah, I'm not a short. Yes, you're a short. Pizza's in the oven.
I hit him first. What the
That's
fuck
me
was that,
with the
dude?
back of my pack. Sure is. And
Oh
a cowboy
my
boots with
God.
them spurs.
Dude,
Because you're from Texas.
why?
What I'm trying to do, guys, just so you know, there's logic to what I'm actually doing here. I have a vehicle. I'm waiting till the herd thins itself, and then I'm going to try to gather up some weapons. But I'm hoping my battle buddies will actually help grab me some gear.
I'm doing the same
I'm
fucking
gonna
thing
play
you're
one
doing,
until
pretty
one of you
much.
guys-
Okay. Because we should wait for the, because we're honestly going to try to win this time. No fucking around.
I'm dead, so I'm gonna.
He's created drawing. I try. No, this is the Gamecaster. I really enjoy the software because they give you this like ridiculous little drawing tools, but they do. I'll try to do some legitimate drawing while I'm waiting for
Does he call me a nerd?
the herd to be thinned. Let me see. So if you ever wonder how Frankie ever did his little arrows. Oh wait, I gotta hit shift. Here we go. Let me hit delete that. So
No more fucking around.
there you go. Here's
I'm
some
going
Frankie
top 10.
stuff right here. We're gonna go around here, go around the riverbank,
Watch.
come around the frickin' east side, go south of the road, south of town, and end up somewhere over here. And you know what? That actually almost looks like a dick.
Talk to me.
There you go.
Boyfriend of paper.
Medicine, tell Elsvark that he's a nerd as well. I think he heard it because I heard him asking me if he fucking.
Yeah, I saw it.
Yeah,
Tell
he-
Toast to shut up.
Whoa.
I'm a nerd.
Whoa.
He has just so much armpit hair.
Oh my
Plays
god.
Yu-Gi-Oh and shit.
Oh my god. Must be French. Hope you heard that, Toasty.
Dude, your arms are so weak. Why are you trying to punch me?
Oh, he's talking shit to someone in the game too.
Alright, well I just raided this campground. There ain't shit here besides a pistol for you, meat.
Okay. I'll take the pistol though. Anything you can get, man. Watch you. Let's see what the and then another thing too, I gotta, in order to stop wasting gas, you have to, don't talk about my husband that way. He is hey dude, that was freaking Elsvark, man.
Can't drive
You
for a
don't talk
white
about
man's
my
road.
daddy like that, Elsvark. My mom will come punch you in the face.
Play Yu-Gi-Oh!
I bet
Once.
Micro
Great
knows that
nerd. I've never played Yu-Gi-Oh!
But, okay, so you played DayZ, Micro. I mean, check out the detail in this car, man. This ain't... DayZ doesn't have nothing on that. Look at those speedometers, dude.
Pokemon is
And
a
those
nerd.
rear view mirrors, can you check that out? Jesus. My goodness. Look at the textures on my seat. You know what? I'm actually spinning around. It definitely looks like.
Wax
According
your
to that
armpits.
tree.
Waxes their armpits. Trying too hard.
Okay, I hear gunshots. Jimmy, what's your grid at, buddy?
F4, Fox 4.
Okay, okay. F4. Ooh. Are you by
Echo
that
4.
river? Echo 4, cool.
Negative, I'm heading towards D5 is where I'm heading.
Okay. And this is like, you might think, and they're like, hey look, my handwriting is not great because I'm using a mouse, but I'm not known for my immaculate handwriting. I'm handwriting like a doctor. Just scribble shit that semi-represents.
I got a pistol. I got it.
And then, just so you guys know, yeah, the action starts. That's a cool looking car, by the way. Yeah.
Over waxing armpits. Fucking Brazilian people. They have everything clean. Wax them hair is gross. Are you bald too, Toast?
Don't talk about
Shave your head.
Yeah, that texture's fucking sick, man. Alright, I might, because I'm in the safe zone, I need to grab some weapons. I'm gonna try to, like, approach town, I guess, maybe. Let's see what happens here. I don't know if I can go through this fence or not. I'll find out. Nope. Oh, yeah, I can.
There's an undercut.
Okay.
Is that like the female goose or something?
You're welcome. I don't know that face, man. I don't know that. Sent 5 times. Oh, shit. Yeehaw.
That Toasty bald.
You guys got GTA there, Micro. You have GTA, bro, or no? Oh, shit. Because that's what I'm saying. This thing has, like, DayZ and GTA all in one, man. So this one has much better graphics, better driving physics.
Have GTA on Xbox One.
GTA 5. Jimmy, are you by chance in those apartments or no?
Hell no, dude, I'm in D5 on top of the mountain. That's where I'm at.
Alright, we gotta.
I don't have shit for
locate-
weapons either. I got a shotgun and a pistol.
Alright, I'm
Fucking
gonna
have
go to
three
the
of them.
I'm gonna go to the residential area here real quick and see if I can't grab some supplies.
Go to the bathroom and hide in this book. You know what I mean?
What's that?
Foolish to still be in town right now. Alright, snatching the spark plug so that way nobody can come in and jack my shit. Handgun right off the bat. Ditching my binoculars, my light. Toast. It's funny messing with Elsvark. Oh, I shouldn't have read that out loud. My bad. Sorry, Toast. Ooh, an axe. Another handgun. It is Elsvark's a trip. Alright guys, shit's about to get real.
Getting real, I'm in the bush, you know what I mean?
Alright, we'll hopefully meet up, guys.
Not in the same game.
Oh, you're not in the same game? You died right off the bat? Pizza? Pizza time? Tech, you got like pizzas.
Like instantly I run in the
all over
house
the
and
place.
some dude
That's awesome. I want a pizza. Alright, I got me a shotgun now. Watch out.
Southwest.
Yeah, you can see my smoking Jeep over there. I'm checking. Okay. Don't be sorry, man.
You know I like to play games.
But I'm sorry. Hey, you know, I don't need to blow that open. What else can I blow? Fuck, dude, I swear to God, I heard your footsteps. Guys, this ain't cool. Shit, I'm fucking scared. This guy's gonna pop up in a
Come on, kid.
Hey, no, you come on, kid. We can team up, or we can fucking battle to the death right here. Your call.
Calm down, calm down. You talk very fast.
See what he says about that. Yo, you want to team up or not? We can either team or kill each other right here. Your choice.
You wanna? Your
I'll
choice.
I'll team.
I will give you.
What country are you from though? This is pretty important. If it starts with the K,
People don't look behind
I'm
doors.
gonna kill you. Now, I'm just where are you from, buddy?
Korean.
Oh yeah, Korean. Dude, this guy's going down.
You know?
Hell yeah, brother.
You love?
Hell yeah,
Shoot
love.
him in the back with a shotgun,
Okay,
please.
team.
Bitch, I don't love
let's
Korea.
see.
Suck
He's
on
on
my
the back. Can I
balls. Suck
watch
on my
this?
balls. Fuck are you, Korea. That's for killing my American
That's
friends. Good game. Dude, I just won it for all of us Americans. I hope you guys saw that. That's going on fucking highlights. That guy was gonna backstab me too. I hope you guys fucking caught that. He shot me first,
Was
I
it?
think. Yeah. Hell yeah, I can play their games. I think I just fucking will take it from those fucking Koreans. Fuck no. I just gave it to him.
Oh man.
Alright, now I'm fully loaded. That solved my gear problem, I'll tell you what. But if I know Koreans, they're gonna have like a whole fucking ton of them coming, so I gotta get out of here. And speaking of the Koreans.
Speaking of Korean.
Alright. Let me see. I honestly didn't think I was gonna make it out of that. I'm fucking excited. Yeah, Toast, you saw that shit. Wish I had a Molotov to throw on him though. That would have made it so much more fucking satisfying. Alright, Jimmy, I'm coming to you, battle buddy.
Heard that.
I got some med kits too. I didn't take any damage, man. That was like the best fucking Korean battle I ever had. And he admitted he was Korean too, so that makes it better. Alright, cool. I thought he was like Russian at first. Alright. What's your grid, man, Jimmy?
D5.
Okay, Delta 5. I need to... You're in the town or are you on the outskirts?
On the hill, on the mountainside.
Did you ditch your car yet, or are you still have
Nope.
it?
Nope. My car's all I got right now.
Good job, Medicine. Thanks, Does. Oh, snap. That one. Yeah, that was my fucking rally. I can't defeat this stop sign, though. Shit. Alright. Get out of here. I'm all excited, like a giddy little schoolgirl. Alright, Jimmy, let me know if you see my smoking Jeep, dude. You see the road or not?
Negative. Nah, dude, I'm hidden kinda like... I'm in a spot where if somebody comes up on me, I'm just jumping out and blasting them like... I don't know.
Am I gonna run over Jimmy in the woods without knowing it?
Honestly, you might be able to jump over me or land on me the way that I'm sitting. I didn't think about that until just now. A car
Okay.
could launch over me.
Well, you don't hear a vehicle yet, though, right?
No, I don't.
Okay. Delta 5. You're still in Delta 5, right?
I'm in C5,
Oh,
Charlie.
Charlie 5. Okay. Oh, up on the very peak or on the,
On the side of the peak, if
Which-
you're heading from Delta into Charlie.
okay.
Like,
The eastern
right
side
where
of
the tree,
mountain.
yeah.
Okay.
right where the trees end.
So I'm Delta 5 right now. So I need to go one more over yet.
37 players remain.
damn good question here. I don't think I can auto drive, can I? Probably not. Rebel's gonna like that one. That one was for Rebel too. That's for all of us Americans.
Oh,
Even Elsvark and Microwave. That was for you, buddy.
That you, G?
Yep, yep, me.
Yeah, see? You just pulled right up on me.
Did I? Shit. Okay, cool. We ditching this vehicle then? I think we should, because this one's smoking, man. Oh shit. Let me
Go
pull
ahead.
spark plugs here. I'm hopping in with you.
I wish I was playing with you guys right now.
Bet you do, fag.
Oh, you go.
Ah, just kidding, dude. What's the battle plan? Dude, here
Just
comes the
hide
plan.
here.
Okay, then let me ditch that fucking truck, I guess. I don't know.
You guys should just hide in bushes, you know?
That's what we're gonna do. I'm reversing. Oh shit. I'm gonna ditch this truck.
The first aids.
And then I'll put it up on the hill, dude. That way people will be looking at it, and then hopefully they're not gonna be paying attention to us.
Yeah.
Alright. Then I'll read the chat, kinda. Alright, get down. Gotta get my camis.
Thought I heard some.
Gotta scroll. Rebel would have been so proud of you. Yeah, he would have, man. I think he would have cried a little bit. Get my camis.
So, Holly, you want some berries? I'm definitely going for top 10 here.
Camis for the win. And microwave.
First aid kit.
Something just blew up. It's probably my Jeep. So now this is kind of where it's going to get intense.
With a
I
shotgun
don't,
and
so
a
microwave,
gun.
how much do you know about the Battle Royale? Anything? Because if you don't know much, I can fill you in. And Jimmy, you're hiding in the lily pads?
I'm in the car, yeah.
Oh, you're actually in the car?
Hey, man.
Okay. Is that the best place to be? Oh, I suppose, yeah, because they can't come up and headshot us. I'll get in there with you.
And like, we're in such a good spot right now, like, you know what I mean? With the way that the land's elevated.
Microwave. Yep, for sure. So micro, just in case. Yeah, I mean, obviously all the green, that's a toxic gas. The circle's going to close in and close in. So we'll eventually all end up in one grid square, one little tiny ass grid square.
Oh, what the
Firing at us
fuck?
or not?
Negative, nope, they're on the top of the hill.
Okay.
We got somebody down low.
Alright. What I know about Battle Royale is you have to be the last man standing to win. Yes. And then pay attention to my screen here, Micro. He knows. He fucking knows.
Shotgun ready, boy. My river, you butts. I'm trying crossing this shit. Oh. Shotgun on the old. Yeah.
We're gonna make it to the
Guys
end,
doing
Jimmy.
the top
You and
20
I,
yet?
just me and you, buddy. We'll live out the rest of our days in a little grid square. I will totally not kill you.
Yeah.
Shh. Oh man. Alright, there's my Jeep up there though. So basically what I'm doing, this will attract enemies.
Berries, dude.
And it's smoking. So again, that'll help attract the enemies. Koreans are attracted to smoking vehicles. Proven scientific fact. And Jimmy and I actually were safe in this vehicle for a short time. If somebody rolls up on us, they can't shoot through the windows like they. Oh, Jimmy saw it. Fuck. I'm out of here, guys.
Fucking
Have fun.
dickhead.
Jimmy, it wasn't me, man. Tech guy hacked my internets, and he did it. Right, Tech? Right, Toast? Right, Micro? Come on, get my back, people. Jimmy, you look like you're drunk, man.
I've had a couple. What of it?
Oh man, I'm just saying, you looking sexy. Looking awfully sexy.
I look drunk.
I know, his googly fucking eyes. Definitely. Last time he drew a dick on some guy. Yes, I did.
Southwest we go. Ooh.
And it wasn't just some guy. Toast. It was a tech guy hacked their internets, I believe it. Jimmy, this bomb's not for us, man.
I hope it is. I'll piss on that bomber.
No, dude, that thing's not for us. It wasn't in our line, but we'll find out here in a second.
Southwest.
What do you guys say here? What do you say? Do we blend it in with the vegetation here? I think so. Alright, so this circle's going to get smaller when the gas reaches the borders of here. And when it gets to that point, it'll let us know that they're going to release the gas in like 60 seconds or whatever else, get to the safe zone. So we'll see what happens. Usually, I almost bet it's probably going to end up right up on the damn mountain. But I think it also depends, and I could be wrong, but how many players are within a certain vicinity where it picks it. It seems like that's the case. And actually those bombs, let me see. And those planes that are flying by that I was kind of watching, the fast ones drop bombs, the slow ones drop crates. The crates can have something like ammo, health kits, and a hunting rifle. You hacked medicine internet. Yes, you did. Yes, you did. I didn't frickin' say I was gonna kill Jimmy when we get to the end. Oh, man. Come on, Ma.
Oh, yeah, that's the plan. Southwest. Oh, this shit right now. Solo, baby. Woo! Giant red helmet isn't helping. Always supposed to run towards them.
Okay, so Delta 5. We're still within the safe zone.
That's 8. West.
Charlie 5. Cool. Oh yeah, I did. See? Interesting. They're
West.
they drop bombs. Yeah, they do. I've been fucked up, man. I've been fucked up. But it's hilarious to see someone else get jacked up by bombs. It gives people a reason not to stick around if you hear a plane, especially like going in your direction. Then you kind of want to move. It took me 2 times to learn that shit.
Towards the radio tower, huh?
And excuse my spelling.
West. Yep.
Okay, we're still in it, buddy. You know what? I bet half of these, actually, no, we're gonna have people coming down from the mountain. I know that for sure. Because we had people up there. Let me try to guy now. Uh-oh.
Top 20. Woo.
I believe we're gonna have people coming down towards our direction. I know we're gonna have some assholes down here. If when I was playing with the French Canadian, that's where we ended up, and there's some dude just sitting right on the edge of that town by this wall. Don't fall in. Burb. Gonna do stuff. Sweet. How did you know it was me? Okay, okay. How did we? Yeah, exactly. Fucking, you're the guy that hacks the internets, man. That's what you do. You do it well.
Hacks the internet.
Hacks the internets. Yep.
The whole thing?
The whole
Or
thing.
all of them?
All of them. There's more than one of them?
God, he hacks all of them? This dude's a pro.
I know, man.
All 17 internets.
Oh, Officer Blaze. Dude, I can't look at that face and fucking take it seriously.
I'm gonna catch some bad guys, damn.
Derp. Hey, we're the United Nations. We're going to unnazi the world. I was changing. What? Changing. Sexy time. Sexy time changing?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's alright with me.
Players are me. How are you guys doing?
You talking to me, or are you talking to someone in game, bro?
Talking to both of you guys.
Dude,
How are you doing?
we might be in it to win it, man. Do you have my stream up or not? Jimmy and I are just making out on this fucking hill. Oh yeah. Just kidding. Ugh, just puked a little bit. His face. I know, right? His face. I love you. Your face. Fall into pajamas? Yeah. There you go.
Oh, goddamn. Well, I hope we win, meat.
I do
hope we
too.
win, bud. 'Cause I'm fading fast.
Bro, don't fade. Those googly eyes.
About to get faded.
I know. Okay. Plane's not in our general direction. So what's the battle plan if we get ambushed? Are you gonna try to run?
Yep.
Okay.
I'm gonna run to the trees.
Okay.
Or I'm gonna ghost ride the whip.
Oh yeah, and then we're gonna ambush the fucker, yeah?
He,
I don't know if he's shooting at us or not.
no, he's not.
Fucka, whoever comes
So
close.
guys, here's the deal. If
Almost
Jimmy
top
and I
one.
get #1, Elsvark has to host Jimmy for like a whole year.
That'll be
Oh,
easy.
holy yeah, man.
Whole fucking
And
year.
it's about
Thanks.
Dipset time, isn't it?
Here you go, tech guy, since you're an audio engineer, I'm gonna be able to hear this. That's a high five to you, buddy. You know tech guy's an audio engineer, Jimmy?
Is he?
Like
Sweet.
for real? Yeah, yeah. Oh shit, we got the gas up
How about
in
if
my
I get
face.
top 10? Have to.
Jimmy will send you his mixtape.
Yeah. I've been working real hard on it. I got this #1 single.
It's called I Like Dudes. And I'm gay.
Oh, thanks to the
Just kidding.
police.
Yeah. Boom. Yeah, no shit, right?
Honkies with gratitude.
Oh yeah. Oh, my cracker say what? Derp.
What?
Shit. There's some awfully nice shoes you got there, Jimmy.
Thank you. I stole them.
They're pretty white for the fucking apocalypse, man.
Got to keep them clean. You know what I mean?
Breaks away slowly. What's going on over here? Backs away slowly.
Fucking wrong button. Son of a.
Gosh damn, I'm not on fucking point with that. Are you backing away slowly because of the mixtape offering? Is that what that is for?
How about if I get top 10, you guys have to play naked?
Dude, you don't even need to ask. And I've been playing naked, man. Shit. As soon as I get home from work, I'm naked, man. That's how your
Oh, you
mama
have to
likes
play
it.
like. I'll just underpants.
Just what?
Yeah,
I
dude,
don't
we're
know
gonna
where-
get stuck in this shit somewhere. This isn't gonna be
No, dude, we gotta
pretty fucking crazy.
I know, guys, this is actually gonna be fucking insane. If we have a high probability of getting pretty damn close. And let me see.
I don't know about close, maybe 10th, but it's already really tiny, man. I'm worried about who's gonna come out of the fog at us.
Kim's runs like hell.
That I am a golden god. I'm the best that it's in. Top 5. By myself, no team.
So any of you guys, if you guys are watching the stream, if you happen to notice something moving, yell like a mofo so we can hopefully catch it within time. I'm keeping
Top
my
10.
camera towards the back, Jimmy,
Top
just so
10.
you know. Kind of panning northwest.
Yeah, I see your stream.
Okay, cool. You better get number 1. Walking back and forth. No more mixtapes. No more mixtapes. Oh shit. Funny,
Where do I have
yeah.
to go?
I don't have a mixtape, dude.
I have to go.
Yet, so that's why he wants to fucking
Oh,
hook up. Alright. Tech.
got a 45, yo. Happening, dude.
Tech guy dies. Okay. No more mixtapes.
Number 1.
Sorry, man. I'll make a mixtape for you if you roll. Alright, Jimmy. Gas is creeping, bro. Gas is like up on our ass, man. I'll see where we need to go. Yeah, directly west, I guess.
Yeah, let me know, sandwich ass. Let me know.
Alright, jumping blades, and I'll let you know. We gotta keep going west. Not into that tree west, but
This is where we're
west
going.
enough. Okay.
The car's on its. Oh
sliding.
shit!
We're going into the gas too.
It's cool. I can steer it.
Nice, dude. Wait, the gas, Jimmy. Come on, man. You gotta stay on the edge of the gas. Yeah. Doing this shit Korean style tonight. Alright.
Ah, come on.
We've already fucking used their tactics against one of their own. Stabbing the fucker in the back.
Uh-oh.
Alright, Jimmy, no, stay. Wait, no, dude.
That one?
Let him fight it out, dude. Dude. Yeah, baby. My wife dies. Oh.
Hop out of here.
What? Why?
Cause this shit's about to get real.
Dude, I don't think so yet, man. Well, here, let me... I was gonna say, the vehicle's like a goddamn tank, man.
Alright.
I think we're sitting alright, dude. Let these fools kill themselves.
Hey,
Dude, look how tiny it is. This is nuts, man. There's somebody else like
Yep.
right there.
Yep.
fuck.
I see him behind us, but don't fucking move a muscle,
Yeah.
bro.
Man,
Guys,
this
I
is
got
no
number 10.
good.
Dude, no, this
Did I
is...
get out?
No, don't get out, because I'm telling you, man, if they... We gotta do the drive trick, man. That
Okay,
fucks them
okay.
up so bad.
I just see the dude standing right there, man.
No, I know. Let them kill each other, dude. I see a whole group of them behind us, man. And the guy up on the tree, right? That's what you're doing.
Yeah, there's a guy running at us.
Number 1.
Just get ready to fucking
They're coming multiple at us.
run their asses over if they're coming up
I
on us.
can't. This is the way that the hill's angled and the way we're pointed.
Okay.
I'll be able to.
Alright, guys, I got number 1.
Are we in? No, alright.
My palms are getting all
Ready when
sweaty
you
and
guys
shit.
are.
I think we're in, but I'm 79% health. No, I'm 96 health. Okay, cool. Don't die, dude.
Welcome back, Brick. Back with Brick.
I know you mean them. You know why you mean them? I already did. Did you die?
Fucking.
Shit is about to get fucking real. I can.
What place are you guys?
He's
in
right above
now?
us.
Yeah, he's right above us. Jimmy.
Dude, jump out and
Okay,
shoot him.
okay. Alright, man.
Thank him.
You can totally get him, man.
Alright, Jimmy,
Now
come
get back in the car,
fuck-
get back
I
in the
know.
car. There's no one behind you. Turn around, turn around, turn around.
I'm in.
We're fucked.
Yeah,
we're
bro.
dead.
No,
jump
we're
out,
not
jump
dead.
out, jump out.
No, go, dude, turn. Why can't you?
Oh
fucking
shit,
turn,
we're
bro?
still in here.
Yeah,
We're
yeah,
still
yeah.
in this.
Fucking
Oh
quick,
my
evade
god.
him. Go up into the goddamn mountains, bro. Come on, dude. Get out of here, Jimmy.
Something's going down over there. Huh?
Dude, we are fucking nice. Yeah.
Jump
Condition
out.
22. Okay.
Jump out.
I jumped out. Okay, cool. Alright, let's get to the gas, I guess. I'm telling you, this is how we gotta do it. Whoa. Don't lose eyes on each other, Jimmy.
Okay.
I'm scared, man. I need you to hold my hand.
Okay, I'm heading down the hill. You see
Okay,
me still?
yeah, but make sure we're not so far away that.
No, we'll be right. We'll be fine right fucking here. Beautiful. You with me?
I'm not yet.
I see you.
Hell yeah, man.
Goddamn Oklahoma.
Guy. Oh shit. Never mind. I thought there was a dude behind us. Fucking all paranoid now.
I know, dude. Whatever, man. Good call. Okay, I'll get the long range since I guess I have the fucking AR. Huh?
You got body armor, dude. You got this.
4 remain. 3 remain, dude. It's you, me, and one other.
Okay.
It's you, me, and
You
one
gotta
other.
be kidding, dude.
Oh!
This is fucking history right here, guys.
I'm gonna
Jimmy.
let you have it. I'm gonna let you have it.
No. We're,
Oh, we're in
doing
the
this
gas. We
fair
gotta
and
move up. Move up.
Yeah.
All right, move up and get your
Med kits?
Yup. Move up med kit.
Fly med kit from house.
All right, my med kit's on.
Okay. Keep going, Jimmy.
You got the Stone Cold theme song going.
Alright, Elsvark, we're
guys
fucking
better
as
do this.
close as we're ever gonna get, man. No, Jimmy, we're fisting, we're fisting each
No,
other.
dude, it's yours. Man.
No,
it's
man,
yours.
Jimmy,
You worked
battle-
so hard
no,
for it, man.
Jimmy, no. It's not
I'm gonna
fair.
let you win no matter what. It's fair.
Lead on the gas.
Cause you can't
Way
fight me,
stronger
bro.
than
I'm too
fucking
OP.
med kit. Hurry up.
Oh, dude, them was fighting
No.
fucking words right there. I'm gonna fight you now. No, dude, we gotta get it, Jimmy. This is the best thing in the world. I'm just so excited, man, that I may get #1 with my battle buddy.
Been streaming, right? That's why I didn't message you.
We might have to.
I think
mute
he's gonna
Tina.
be.
Trying to do my battle armor.
This guy's probably gonna be near our car.
I'm guessing.
Maybe?
Yeah. Should we? Yeah. Jimmy, just where are you at? Are you still up on this tree?
Yeah, right next to this tree. Yeah. I'm just holding the tree side.
Jimmy,
Oh, he got
get
me.
the-
He got me.
did
He got me, dude.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm dead. I'm dead.
You
So
got
back
fucking
up.
med
He's coming
kits?
for you.
Okay.
He sees you.
Does
No,
he?
I don't. I only
I
had
don't think
one.
he did.
Yeah, he did. He definitely saw you because he was shooting at you.
Okay.
Oh, god damn it! Fuck you, tech guy microwave. Jimmy's
Dude.
going down. Fuck.
They called it,
Up the hill
dude.
to the right.
They're stream sniping him. It's microwave
Goddamn,
or
dude.
tech guy. You son of a bitch. Hold on. Who actually killed you?
I'm stream sniping.
Who actually
Got him
killed you?
good. Oh,
DSSQQQI.
Wait, should I? I'll try to talk. Oh, fuck.
No, don't
Should I?
talk to him, dude. Just fucking shoot his ass. Get your
I gotta
first
figure out
place,
where
dude.
he's at. Okay. I need to flank his ass.
Yeah, right. Oh man.
Come on, Jimmy. We gotta do this battle buddy style, bro. What should I do, man? You're the master of fucking military tactics, my friend.
I got you. Hey, where are you at, you fucking
yeah.
son of a bitch?
Good call.
Oh, I'd exited the match. Fuck.
No.
I am a real love
Should I go shoddy or fucking AR, man?
Whatever
Yeah,
you're
dude.
better with, man. If you're close to him,
First
shot you to the
round, man.
face.
I suck at both, but fuck. All right, let's do this. Got to make sure my. I know this guy's gonna try fucking flanking me.
Well, he's gonna hear my voice
hold
over
on.
there by where he killed me. He's gonna think you're
I know
over there.
this guy's either firing warning shots or something. But I need 2 first aid up.
Okay.
I only got 1 first aid left.
Go.
Hey,
But
you
you just-
better win this shit, man.
Well, he's over to my left.
Fucking
and
pull
I'm
up the
back.
shotty, dude. Pull up the shotty. Hide behind trees. First aid.
Jimmy, and you didn't have any first aid on your body, or no?
Nope.
Okay, that doesn't do me any good then.
Oh, yeah, line.
Crap, I'm in the fucking shit. I wonder where he's at though, man. Where's the fucking
Yeah,
dude?
dude.
Where is this? I'm not gonna be able to find this shit. Well, maybe I can. If he's got more med kits, he's gonna fucking beat me just by default.
To the safe zone, dude.
I need to
Got this.
do some. $67%, motherfucker. Okay,
You win?
we'll find out. But I mean,
To
There's
take
no
time
way.
to celebrate.
there's no way my ass is gonna. What the fuck? I died?
One.
No, how?
Wait a minute. Meat Wagon's winner chicken dinner. Fuck yeah, bro. I
You
fucking
took
got
first
it.
place?
I got first because
Whoa.
I'm fucking beast, bro.
Oh,
Hell
you
yeah.
son of a bitch!
There we go.
Oh,
Read it. We
shit.
screenshot, bitches. Screenshot. #1 with my battle buddy Blazes. Yeah, boy. Fucking Christ.
Fuck yeah, dude.
High fives all around. There we
You
go. Hell
fucking
yeah, dude.
cocksucker.
Yeah. But
Tired, Britt?
that was sweet, guys.
Oh,
I was
I
fucking
just-
happy.
Nice, man.
I'm a fucking
Watch the magic.
happy. Yeah, boy. That was sweet. Yeah.
I got
what?
top 10, but medicine got fucking number 1, dude.
Don't forget that shit. I'm fucking number 1. You guys will address me as sir
Because of
from
the
this
song
day
I played,
forward.
dude.
That was fucking sweet, dude.
Hell yeah, it was, man. I don't know how I'd even find his ass though in that little tiny ass like thing. Thanks, microwave. I'm glad I could share it with everybody. Thanks, Tech.
See, that's all you needed was just you needed me
know.
to come in there
I
and
know,
fucking
exactly.
hold your hand.
I know. Hold my hand, Gimme Blazers.
Well, no, honestly, me, anytime that I play though, like, I usually, if I can get in that area early like I was, I can just sit right in the middle, and I usually always make it 10th or better, but yeah, that shit was sweet, man. I bet you we could do it again probably like whenever too.
Fucking yeah. But I still my best scenario that I want to get is like make it to the end with buddies and then fist fight to the death, man. Then my life will be complete.
Yeah, I don't know,
But
man.
no, that
was
was
a pretty
sweet.
good
That was fucking awesome,
That's
guys.
a pretty good run right there.
Yeah,
Motherfucker,
thanks,
dude,
Jim.
he
I couldn't
fucking
have done it
built
without
up.
you,
I have
buddy.
that shit saved.
Yeah, at least I got one
Neat.
kill in towards the end by jumping out and fucking getting that guy. Tech guy.
No, that was.
microwave.
I watched it too on your stream. It was
Oh, did you?
gorgeous. Like watching it fucking on my camera and then
Oh,
watching it
man,
on your
I'm all
stream. It was
smiles.
fucking sweet.
I'm all fucking
Oh, I'm
smiles.
watching you, honey, but I'm asleep.
Here we fucking go.
Voice
Well,
is real soothing. You can
How's
fall
this gonna work out? I don't know how to draw this. We'll find out.
asleep.
If I do, I'll wing it. There we go. We all know they ain't fucking no reals.
Congrats, man.
Thanks, dude. I'm pretty fucking happy, man. That's
That was
me. I'm
pretty
just like a little slime ball.
Like died from the gas or something.
I did. Well, yeah, no, I didn't die from gas. He died first. That was the catch, man. It's kind of a
that's the
bummer
thing.
that I
He
didn't
died
get
from the
him.
gas. But I saw it pop
big
up,
ol'
and
slab
you're
of
like, no,
meat.
I'm gonna lose. But I saw it pop up on the top, like time to celebrate or whatever.
Yeah.
That's me,
Fucking
guys.
sweet,
Bringing
dude.
the fucking meat wagon. Meat
So I wonder
wagon.
when it's down to 2 if it just smokes out like the whole area and whoever. Because dude, it didn't look like there was anywhere for you to go
No,
safe.
I don't think. Yeah, exactly. There's nothing.
Like 2 feet.
I gotta read this. Thanks, Texas.
Walking.
Okay. Happy to sit on my fucking and contribute nothing. Whatever, dude. You used your future powers and your hacking skills.
Future
Tech
powers.
guy is from the future, dude. He's like an hour ahead of us, Jimmy. But aren't you from the future too, Jimmy? Aren't you an hour ahead of me?
I'm fucking from the future too.
Oh,
Play it, guys.
what is that? It was supposed to be a meat wagon, but I'm fucking too like filled with joy for getting number 1. It's what I've worked for all my life, guys. I'm actually gonna go jump off my fucking porch and end it all now. My
He's
life
climaxed.
Yeah,
It's all fucking
okay.
downhill from here.
Wait a minute. Here, I got a face for this. Let's see if I get it right. I don't fucking know. God damn it, I don't
Bet you like
remember.
the top streamer today didn't get number 1.
What's that, Elsvark?
Said like I bet the top streamer of this one today,
Yeah, exactly.
but it goes unnoticed. You know?
I know. Whatever, dude. I got 5 viewers up in my shit. They're all up in my fucking channel.
Hell
I don't know
yeah.
how many I have. Like,
Hell yeah. So what's the deal? Where do we go from here, guys? All right.
Grand Theft Auto.
It's nice knowing all of you. I'll never talk to any of you again. Just kidding. Just kidding. Aw, you nerd. You the
you guys
nerd.
playing another one or what?
Fuck, man. I'll play another one, man. I'm all hyped up. We gotta get
Oh,
Elsvark
yeah.
number 1 now. We gotta get fucking Jimmy number 1. We gotta get Tech.
Oh, I
number
don't
1.
fucking, dude, I don't care.